Hey guys, it's Anna. Please excuse the terrible lighting. I'm in my room and yeah, that's just not good lighting. My Kylie Skin finally came in, so I can finally make this video for you guys and I'm super excited. So basically, I'm gonna test out my Kylie Skin for you guys, give you a full review and unpackaging, and yeah. Remember that these are only my opinions based on my experience with them, and everybody's skin type is different. It's not going to be the same experience for everybody, but this is just what happened for me and how it worked for me. But enough talking and let's get right to it. Mine came in this cute pink box. There's a lot of scuff marks on it because I went through Canada Post, so it kind of got beaten up through shipping and whatnot. But I'm just gonna open it up. Ah! Here it is, cute little label, and super cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's ombre, and it has like, I don't even know, it's just like really pretty. But yeah, so we're gonna open that up now. Okay, update. Super strange observation, I know, but it feels really cool. Like, it's not just like cardboard. It has this really cool feeling to it that I don't even know how to describe, but it's, I don't know, it's really nice. Like, it feels kind of like luxurious. I don't know if that makes sense, but like, it's super nice. Sorry, this is just like instructions and different like things. I don't think it's instructions. What do you call it? I don't even know what this is. Oh no, it's just, yeah, it is instructions and things like that. Okay, cool. It's for each of the products, I think. Cool, love that. Okay, so basically this is a slip cover. Oh my gosh. Okay, oh my gosh, it's so hard to do this one-handed because I'm holding my camera, but oh my gosh. Just watch me struggle, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, there we go. Like, even the bottles are this super cute pink. Okay, I can't get it out with one hand. Like, this is kind of impossible. Okay, I might actually just set the camera down. Okay, so I managed to get one out. So this is the foaming face wash that Kylie kind of raves about, that she loves. There we go. So that's the foaming face wash. Next we have the walnut face scrub. Everybody said this is good too. Like I said, it smells really nice, but we'll see in a minute. Next we have the vanilla milk toner. Again, super pretty pink. Then we have our face moisturizer. I'm really hoping this is as good for mixed quality skin like mine. Like, I have dry skin yet oily skin, if that makes sense. So next we have the eye cream. Apparently it's super good. Like, everybody's been raving about this product. Like, I've heard so many people say if you only get one thing from Kylie Skin, this should be it. So I really hope it's as good as people say, because I swear I have bags for days. Like, if my bags were designer, they'd be Louis Vuitton. So if this works, I'll be really happy. Next we have the vitamin E serum. I've heard mixed reviews about it, but I'm honestly really excited to try out my bad vitamin C. Either way, really excited to try it. Alright, so I'm gonna bring all that stuff with me and we're gonna go wash my face, and I'll show you a before of my skin, and then after a week or so I'll show you the after. I'll do another video for that though, because I want you guys to get the general review out and, you know, have you guys see it before a week so you don't have to wait too long. Plus I need to upload a video for this week, so yeah, let's go do that. Okay, so I've moved to the bathroom. Way better lighting than my room, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in actual lighting. Yeah, that's what we're working with. Anyways, let's get started. I'm gonna try to prop my camera up. Hopefully it stays. Oh, quick time. I want to show you my skin before. Actually, I have to take off my makeup for that. So, actually, hold on. Where the heck am I gonna place a camera? It's cool, we'll figure it out. I'm just gonna stay back here and do that. Oh, side note, I know it looks strange, don't worry. I am wearing shorts, but just t-shirt, dress. Let's get my hair out of the way. Okay, so bad news. I literally recorded me taking off my makeup, but I didn't actually press record. But it's fine. So here I am, makeup free. That was disgusting, but anyways. This is my face without makeup. Okay, so this is our before shot. Oh my gosh, the courage it's taking to do this. Y'all don't diss me or hate me. This is kind of genetics for you, so. I know people have it worse too, but like, this is my skin. Apparently not my voice because my voice is dying, but it's fine. So now we're gonna start using the actual products. So first, Kylie says to use her foaming face wash. So that's what we're gonna do. So for most of these, it says I have to apply it to wet skin. So that's what we're gonna do. Y'all are about to get my nasty side profile. Okay, so I wet my face and I literally have no idea how the people in the commercials make it look so delicate and pretty. I literally I looked like I was drowning. So, I got water everywhere. Whoops. So to take a pump of this, once it comes out, okay. It actually smells good. Like I don't know, it smells refreshing. It doesn't have like a strong scent, but it also doesn't smell like nothing, so. Okay, time to rinse off. Oh my gosh. I can't open my eyes because I'm literally afraid it's gonna get in my eyes. But I just like rubbed my nose to get it off my nose. And my nose piercing just came out. So give me like 5. Oh my gosh, did I put it in this? It's not here. Okay, so my nose ring is gone. It went down the sink. But, moving on. Okay, so we're just gonna move on to the walnut scrub because, yeah, I tried looking in the sink already for my, piercing jewelry, whatever you want to call it, and, it's gone. I honestly don't think I'm getting it back. I have spares, just not in the same color, which sucks, but it's fine. So next is the walnut scrub. I'm gonna wash my face again. Ooh, it smells good. Okay, wait. I'm supposed to use a pea-size amount. Okay. And it's not like too aggressive on your face either. Like I feel like it's getting like decently, I don't know, like exfoliated, but like I also don't feel like my face is like being torn off, so. Okay, so this is slowly becoming a game of how much water can Anna get all over the bathroom. I'm winning. Yeah, no, it's everywhere. Moving on, next is the toner. Ooh, but it smells so good. Also, I'm noticing that there's something purple on my skin. What the heck is that coming from? Is it blue from this? But there's... Anyway, I don't know how much... Oh my gosh, I'm getting the blue on everything. This is a disaster. I'm like getting water and dye everywhere and I don't know where half of this is coming from. Plus I lost my nose ring, so it's a party. I'm just gonna apply on this cotton pad. I don't know how much I'm supposed to do, but that's definitely not enough. How much vanilla milk is too much? We don't know. Now I have it on there and we're just gonna go at it. So just sweep it lightly across your face. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This one is definitely, so far, my favorite out of the scents. Keep checking to see if I'm recording or not because I made this mistake like twice already. So, moving on. Now we have the vitamin C serum. Single pump, here we go. And nothing came out. Okay, there we go. This one is definitely thicker than the rest of the other things, but I guess it's because like it's like an oil type thing. I don't know. All this is pretty quick too. It's not like super lengthy. I hate routines that like, if I can't do it if I'm like, how do I say this? Coming back from a fun event with friends and I'm not there all the way. If I can't do it in those times when I'm, you know, falling asleep, basically, then I don't want to do it at all. Like the most I would do is like take off my makeup and wipe some witch hazel over my face and go to sleep. But this I feel like I might actually be able to do. Anyways, we're moving on to the moisturizer now. I'm excited about this one too because everybody seems to rave about this part. But we're gonna try it. Something's coming out. Hold on, give me a minute. Ah! Okay. This one isn't too heavily scented. Like, it's not really scented at all, but like it's also not bad. It still smells decent if you compare it to like some of the other acne products and things like that, like skincare products I've used and they're just, I don't know, they smell, they're like not scented, but they still have this weird funky scent that's not 100% not scented. I don't know if that makes sense, but if you know what I mean, great. Love it. Loving our collaboration. I actually really like this moisturizer, honestly. I have a like Cetaphil, Cetaphil, I don't know how you pronounce it, but I have that moisturizer and it does not make my skin feel half as good and moisturized as this. Like I'm not even just trying to rave about it, like I'm actually pleased. Like honestly, I like it more than my Cetaphil one. Cetaphil, I don't know how you pronounce it, don't come at me, but honestly, my skin feels so, I should stop touching it, but my skin feels soft and not super greasy at the same time. Like it's weird. I didn't know that was possible. And finally, boys and girls, we're gonna get rid of my eye bags. With the eye cream, the directions on the box are way bigger of a font, so I can actually read those without my glasses, but this is like, hello? It says to use on delicate eye area twice a day, so that's what we're gonna do. I actually really like how Kylie made it shaped like this, because I'm not a fan of having to like use my finger for it, because I feel like it's under your nails, especially if you have long nails, or you don't even have to, like literally any nail. I hate when it gets under there, it just feels gross. Final thoughts. Everything was really light and airy to put on. And the final result, I don't feel like my skin feels actually really soft, and I feel like my face is actually clean, which is good because, you know, you want your face to be clean. And also, like, it's not that my routine that I usually do doesn't work, but I feel like it's more aggressive when it doesn't need to be. Like, I use witch hazel, sometimes apple cider vinegar, and this other, like, cream thing. I can't remember what it's called. But it's like, it's all like really acidic or just harsh things. They do work, but just, I feel like it's overkill. But I feel like this is subtle but also effective, if that makes sense, because I feel like my face is clean but hasn't been totally stripped, so that's good. Which I know is something that Kylie kept saying was her goal, and I think she might have accomplished that. We'll see after like the week is done if my actual, you know, the quality of my skin has, you know, increased or not. But for now, I'm saying it's super soft. I had to stop touching it or I'm gonna make it worse. But it's super soft and everything smelled pretty good and wasn't thick, which is good because I feel like if it's way too thick then you feel caked up and gross, but it wasn't. So props to you, Kylie. That was gross. I'm never doing that again. But anyways, I'm gonna go wipe up with some water now and maybe try to find another nose ring because lost mine crying. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I know I sound literally like I'm in a tunnel, but that's just because my bathroom is like that. I would do my other bathroom, which would probably not be as echoey, but my mom is asleep, so I don't want to wake her up because talking to myself, you know, that's a little loud. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all and have a great day, guys. See you in a week for the next video.